Coconut oil for dry skin. The common causes of dry skin are dehydration, nutritional deficiencies, especially in omega fats, regular contact with harsh substances, like detergents, hot water, cold weather, genetics, and aging. From the Ayurvedic perspective, people of Vata body type are prone to skin dryness, and when you feel your skin has become very dry, it can mean that your Vata is out of balance. The simplest solution would be to follow Vata diet guidelines. Another way to get a quick relief is to use coconut oil. Is coconut oil good for dry skin? It contains healthy fats that moisturize the skin and form a protective layer on the skin surface to lock the moisture inside. Coconut oil gets absorbed nicely due to its ability to deeply penetrate the skin. It will act as a sunscreen, protecting your skin from the UV damage. Coconut oil fades wrinkles and fine lines, makes the skin smooth, and supports its firmness. You can use this oil for a massage. It will give you an additional benefit of gentle skin exfoliation. Coconut oil contains vitamin E, which repairs the dry, dull, and damaged skin. Since vitamin E is an antioxidant, it will protect your skin from premature aging. Also, coconut oil has antiseptic, antimicrobial, and anti-inflammatory properties, so it helps reduce the skin inflammation. How to use coconut oil for dry skin. To get the most out of it, use pure, organic, unrefined coconut oil. 1. Simply coconut oil. Melt 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and apply it to your face and neck by gently massaging it for 5-10 minutes. Leave it there for 15 minutes, or overnight, then wipe off your face with a wet, cotton washcloth. Do it daily, or few times a week, as long as you feel the need to keep your skin moisturized. 2. Coconut oil and aloe vera. Aloe vera nicely moisturizes and rejuvenates the dry skin. It reduces skin's irritation and repairs it. Place 2-3 tablespoons of aloe vera in a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil to it, and mix well. Massage in onto your face, neck, and any other parts for 5-10 minutes, then leave for up to 20 minutes. Once the time is up, wash the skin thoroughly with water, and pat dry. Do this procedure 2-3 times a week. 3. Face pack with coconut oil and honey. Honey is a natural humectant. It locks the moisture within the skin while repairing dry and damaged skin tissues. Take a bowl and add in it 1 tablespoon of raw honey and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Mix the ingredients and apply onto your face and neck. Leave the pack there for up to 20 minutes. Then rinse off with lukewarm water and pat your face and neck dry with a soft towel. Do this procedure 3-4 times per week to keep your skin well moisturized and healthy. Note: if you have an allergy to any of the mentioned ingredients, consult a doctor before using them.